wish fulfillment matapos ang paghahantay. Okay. Nakuha ko yung paghahantay na yun. Okay, because that is one thing that came right no sa aking mind dito nung nakita ko tong 9 of Cups na to. It's like a wish fulfillment right here. Pwedeng sa'yo, pwedeng sa isang tao rito, or both of you. Huh. Parang ang gaan ng feeling, ang saya lang. Ganun. So, let's see ano ba nangyayari dito. Yeah, see? It's a call for celebration. Man, you're gonna celebrate here with your genuine Soul Tribe community, the people here na naniniwala sa'yo. These are all the people, could be family, friends, colleagues, no? Yung mga totoong tao sa buhay mo, no? This wish fulfillment na lumalabas rito is, pero, nakukuha ko rito na parang hindi ito isa ka lang, no? Parang may more than one energies dito, so pwedeng dalawa kayo. Yan, no? So, you're gonna celebrate here with the people. Yan, no? Yun nga lang, meron ditong mga iba na parang hindi matutuwa dito sa wish fulfillment na to, pero hayaan mo na lang sila. Yan, no? The mga Lornas. Ang mga Lornas ay nandito. Pero I don't think, no, na magpapabother ka sa mga ito. Sumingit lang sila. Para ipakita, no, na ayaw nila, no, or magiging usap-usapan itong klase ng wish fulfillment na to for you guys. And with the moon right here, no, it looks like this is some kind of a surprise right here. Maybe this wish fulfillment comes in unexpectedly, but we'll see. But I'm having this very good feeling, no? Kahit na siguro may mga tao rito na ayaw rito sa wish fulfillment na to. Kiber, kasi meron naman kayong mga genuine people, diba? Around you. So, kiber lang. Dead makals lang. Diba? So, yeah. Look at that. Temperance right here. And it's in a upright position. See? We have here the Temperance and the Hermit, which gives me this kind of message that this is you no longer paying attention here, okay, sa mga bagay na nagde-drain ng energies ninyo, because the Hermit is someone here who is protective pagdating sa kanya ritong peace at energy. Let's see. Feeling ko talaga, Satan naman. Have here the Justice. 11-11. It looks like parang pakiramdam mo nasa tamang landas ka, mga mahal. So, tingnan natin ano bang meron dito. Ano kaya yung nasa tamang landas. Pero, kapag ka pinaghiwalay mo yung 11, no, it's like 1 and 1. So, it looks like 2 energies is what I'm seeing right here. So, parang meron ditong wish fulfillment that appears to be wish fulfillment, no, ng dalawang tao, or pwedeng ng nakararami rin kasi it's worth celebrating. So, let's see. Oh, Ace of Love. Ace of Love. Ace of Cups energy. Agad-agad. Yan. Okay. Have the 6 of Cups. Soulmate it is. Granting someone's wish. Okay. Whoa. Alam ko na. So, wait lang. Ilatag muna natin lahat ng energy. Ooh, 2 of Cups. Right at the center of your reading here, mga babes. Yan. Taray. Okay. I'm seeing a gathering here of people. Looks like it's your barkada. Or it's some kind of, hindi ganun kadami. Parang mga barkada kayo, tapos iinuman kayo, no, ganyan, or kakain kayo, no, pwedeng family mo rin yon. I'm seeing that there's something here na isi-celebrate mo to. Well, parang tagumpay to. Wow. Love that. I love that. You've found your star here, honey. That's what I'm picking up. Wow. Not everybody has this opportunity to find their star. Yan, no? Everybody has this star, but everybody has different timelines, no? Marami tayong pagkakaiba rito ng timelines, no? Pero yung sa'yo, natagpuan mo na or matatagpuan mo na right here. So whatever the case may be, I'm picking up that this is something here that keeps on going and going, no? And nakikita ko rito na tutuparin mo ang wish ng kung sino man ito. So, yan, bago natin sa ng reading ninyo collective, hi, hello sa mga new subscribers. Ako po si Yan. Welcome kayo dito sa community namin and hope na magstay kayo dito. So, yan, no, I hope na sana tumambay din kayo dito sa aming channel. So, yan, no. Sa mga returning subscribers, thank you so much sa pagbalik ninyo rito sa channel na ito. So, nakikita ko dito, timeless ito at wala tayo ditong gender, okay? So, someone here, you feel like this is your soulmate. You feel like that this is the one for you. This is the Ace of Cups energy. Yan, nagkakaroon ka na rito, no, ng parang pagtingin sa kanya, no, minamahal mo na rin siya. Pwede nililigawan ka nito, medyo matagal na kasi lumalabas siya bilang Knight of Coins energy. Pwede hindi ganun katagal, no, pero it feels like na nararamdaman mong seryoso siya, sincere siya about this offer of love sa'yo. So, for others of you, maaring hindi pa dumadating tong person na to sa buhay mo, no, pero out of all your options, siya yung bibigyan mo ng chance. Yan, no? Siya yung bibigyan mo ng chance, no? At ang lupit, hindi mo lang siya basta bibigyan ng chance, pa rin mo pa yung wish niya rito kasi nakikita ko na sasagutin mo na siya or sasagutin ka na niya. Wala tayong gender dito, okay? So, just take how this resonates with you, okay? So, whatever the case may be, I can see that you will be in a relationship pretty soon. It's like you're making a decision right here to accept this person's offer of love for you. So, yung nakikita ko dito mga babes, no? So, whatever this individual is, you feel like this is something sincere and this is you na parang nararamdaman ko naman na talagang pure yung intention niya sa akin, mahal niya talaga ako and all of these things, no? And this is you na nagpapatangay ka sa agos ng damdamin mo rito, no? Yung iba, no, pwedeng matagal niya na talagang pinapatunayan sa'yo, nililigawan ka niya, pinapakita niya rito na hindi siya naiinip na basta willing lang siya maghintay, or ikaw to, na willing ka namang maghintay sa kanya rito, no? And you're gonna receive this wish fulfillment. Kasi ito yung inaantay mo eh. Nasagutin ka na niya. If you are a boy or LGBT, you're also welcome right here, mga mahal, okay? So, just take out this resonates, no? Or if you are this in feminine side, no, maaring ikaw yung mag-grant ng wish sa kanya, no? Na ikaw naman yung, na ikaw yung magsasabi na, okay, sige, tayo na. Ganun. Whatever the case may be, you're gonna accept this person's offer. Yan. So, whatever the case may be, I'm seeing that both of you will be really happy in this type of relationship. Yeah, we're hearing that song. You know that song? Finally, my heart given. Yeah. What's next doon? No? Kasi dun lang yung narinig ko. No? Pero I think, yeah, it's Tony G, no? It's Tony G's song, no? Finally, my heart gave in. So, yun na nga, sakto lang mga babes, no? Na kung ano man to, nakikita natin dito, you finally gave in. Wala ka na magagawa. Nahulog ka na, na-in-love ka na rin sa kanya, no? Especially if it keeps on going on and going on. It is consistent. You waited for this person, or hinintay ka niya, this person proved to you that he or she is sincere about his or her love offer sa inyo. No, nakikitaan mo na siya dito ng potential, no? At yun na nga, no, na in love ka na, na-fall ka na sa kanya rito, no? Kaya nga, finally, your heart gave in. Ayun, finally, my heart gave in, and I'm fallen in love. Yun, you fallen in love. Taray. I-spell mo yung falling in love in 1 second, bago mo sagutin to. Pag hindi mo nagawa, uwi. So, whatever the case may be, you're gonna feel this love right here. You're gonna fall for this person right here. Wala na, nahulog ka na. Game over. No? Kayong dalawa na, no? Hindi kayo na. So, whatever the case may be, nakita ka dito. I can see equal give and take coming from both of you guys. You're gonna see each other eye to eye. You're on the same page with whoever is this. This person will give you more if nililigawan ka pa lang niya, pinapakita niya na itong mga bagay na to sa inyo, and you're thinking na, ay, baka mamaya pag naging kami na, maging ano na, bawasan niya yung attention niya, yung time, yung effort, baka kumonte or mag-less, mali ka. Because I can see that this person will give you more. And it's continuous. Tuloy-tuloy, no? Yung nakikita ko rito. Because with the Hierophant, mga mahal, no? Etong tao na to, umpisa pa lang, bago ka pa lang niya rito nakilala, no? As in, bago mo pa lang siya binigyan ng chance rito, no? Nakita niya na ikaw yung gusto niya ritong makasama panghabang buhay, na ikaw yung lalaking gusto niya makasama habang buhay, na ikaw yung babaeng gusto niya makasama habang buhay, ni ikaw yung taong gusto niyang makasama sa tabi niya habang buhay. Hindi lang masarap pakinggan, kundi totoo yun. Yun. Totoo yun. Yun nakikita natin dito. No? So, yeah, definitely. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, not everybody found their star. But you found your star here, honey. Wow, beautiful. So, whatever the case may be, we have here the Three of Cups energy. Yun nga, I'm seeing here a gathering of people. Okay? Could be your close circle of friends, your barkada, your family. You're celebrating this na parang, oh, boy! In love siya. Dahil dyan, ipasok yung isang case ng MP. Soju pa daw dito, oy. Yan, no? So, whatever the case may be, I'm seeing that it's worth celebrating. Your friends will be happy right here, yun. Okay? May jowa ka na. Congrats, te. Yan, no? Parang gano'n, no? Or, uy, may girlfriend na siya. Yan, no? Actually, mga babes, no? It looks like, kaya mo siya rito sinagot, or kaya ka niya sasagutin kasi dito, mga mahal, no? If you are a feminine side right here, no? Kaya mo siya sasagutin kasi nakitaan mo siya na may potential rito, no? Na, tinataglay niya ang mga katangian na ninanais mo sa isang future spouse, no? At kung ikaw naman ay isang masculine side, no, nakikita niya sa'yo, babe, okay, na ikaw ay may katangian at potential, no, ng isang future spouse, no? Yun nakikita niya dito. So, whatever the case may be, I'm seeing it's worth celebrating right here, no? At nakikita ko rito that this, the people around this person's energy or around you guys, no, will be happy in this type of news, good news, no, para sa kanila, no. These are the genuine people, family, friends, no, na masaya for you. Okay, so whatever the case may be, I'm seeing this is worth celebrating. Yeah, with the 9 of Coins energy, and there's this the Temperance right here in reverse. No more waiting. Yun na nakikita ko dito. No more waiting because it's finally a decision day. Yeah. Yung iba parang matagal na kayong single, mga babes, no? Tapos hinintay nyo talaga yung ganitong klase ng person na dumating sa buhay ninyo. Yung iba, pwedeng hindi naman ganun katagal na single, no? Pero maaaring matagal kasi kayo na parang nag-focus, no, sa ibang priorities. Inikita ko dito. So, whatever the case may be, I can see, no, na matatapos na rito ang iyong pag-iisa. Yeah. So, yung pag-iisa. Yan. Yan. May makakasama ka na kasi. Excuse me. Ayan. So, yun nga, no, mga babes. Excuse me lang, no? Inubo. So, whatever the case may be, I can see that this is something here, no, na ikaliligaya ng sasagutin mong person or ikaliligaya mo dahil sasagutin ka na niya. I can see equal give and take, or this person is on the same page. Both of you is seeing each other here as your star. Yeah. Pero ang maganda sa'yo, with the Queen of Wands energy, the Hierophant, and the Star, this is you giving me this message, no, na even though na nagmamahal ka ulit ngayon, you keep your boundaries, you keep your lessons to yourself, and this is you na alam mo yung mga bagay na deserve mo, alam mo yung mga bagay na sineset mo rito na boundaries. Nagmamahal ako pero hindi to the point na babalik ako sa kung paano ko dati mag-approach sa aking love life before. Okay? So, nakikita ko dito na mas matured ka na in handling here, hindi lang sa love life mo, sa buong general area ng buhay mo rito, mahal mo, which is very good. Okay? You can love a person here or you can give love to other people, but you're not neglecting yourself anymore. Not to the point that you're giving your all. Yeah. So, congratulations here, honey, because someone here is magiging na talaga ritong in relationship ang status sa kanyang social media accounts. That pala bumili ako nung ano, no? Bibili nga ako nun, yung ano yan, yung popper, party popper, no? Para may psh, pag ganun tayo. Sa mga nakapanood ng flashlight, ba't may ganun? Ganito dito sa channel na to, may props ako dito, no? Nung nakaraan nga, party-party, yung kay Rian, it's getting late, may pa-flashlight ako dito, no? So, yan. So, next time nga, bibili akong popper, party popper, para, pshing! Pagko-congratulate ko kayo, ako rin magbubukas nun, tapos ako rin magwawalis ng mga kalat. So, congratulations, collective. Thank you so much. Love and light. Annyeong.